Cherry Bounce is often made in July when cherries are ripe and picked. Then they're let to infuse and it's ready for you at the holidays. Now, if you didn't plan ahead or you need a handmade gift that requires very little work, stick around and we'll show you how to make a Cherry Bounce infusion kit. Hey everybody, we're the Wisco Wheeler YouTube channel. We love riding our mopeds and all things Wisconsin. Join us and we hope to inspire you to make your day in Wisconsin the best day in Wisconsin. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested, we'll be posting more infusion kits soon and you won't want to miss. We only had a few of the tart Door County cherries left this summer by the time that we realized we needed to get going and make Cherry Bounce for the holidays. Now for traditional Wisconsin-style Cherry Bounce, you fill half the jar with fresh cherries and add sugar to taste. If you like it sweet, we added about a quarter cup per pint jar and then fill with brandy. You shake it daily and then by the holidays, you'll have a special treat. If you forgot to plan ahead for gifts, or if you didn't have cherries available this summer, this make your own infusion kit version eliminates the waiting time for next year's fresh cherries. You still have time to make a kit and give it to a Cherry Bounce lover, and they can infuse their own. I have links in the description box below for anyone who's having trouble finding the Door County dried cherries and more information on the infusion pour spout that I used. Ingredients you'll need for the kit are the dried cherries. I used the Montmorency cherries from Door County. They are my favorite. I couldn't stop snacking on them either before I started making the kits, so luckily I did buy a large bag. I also used a few sugar cubes. You could use regular sugar as well. I thought the cubes added a bit of interest to the jar and would be a little bit different than what I normally do. So what you're going to do is add the cherries to the jar. Once I do that and add the sugar, then I put on the regular lid or a pour spout lid. But I have found that the pour spout makes it a lot easier to dispense, but for my own use, I use regular lids while infusing and then transfer using the spout lid when I am ready to use it, as they do not seal tight. I do have a little hang tag card that I usually post with the when I present the infusion kit as a gift, and it'll say that it's Wisconsin Cherry Bounce Kit, and for real Wisconsin flavor, fill the jar with brandy and infuse. Taste every few weeks until you get the taste that you like. You can also alter the liquor base to fit your taste. You can use vodka, rum, or a liquor of your choice. I did make another version that you'll see where I added some cinnamon stick and dried apples. Serving suggestions after it's infused would be to serve in small glasses after a meal or with a cheese plate. You could add a splash to cocktails as a sweetener. My favorite is adding it to a cocktail glass filled with ice and cola. It gives you kind of that cherry cola flavor, and it's just nice for something a little bit different. You can use the booze-soaked remaining fruit. Just reserve it and serve it over ice cream or pound cake. That makes a delicious dessert. And I would also put out that I will also put the wording for that in the description box below. That's it. It's easy. It's ready to give. If you like this video and want more, hit the subscribe button below. We'll be posting infusion kit and holiday ideas soon, and you won't want to miss them.